This tutorial shows you how to set up your printer for sharing over a local network so other devices can use it. First, click on the Start button and go to Settings. From there, click on Bluetooth and Devices. At this point, click on Printers and Scanners. From there, click on the printer you want to share. After that, click on Printer Properties to open the full Properties window. In the next step, click on the Sharing tab at the top. From there, check the box that says Share this printer. Once done, give the shared printer a name in the Share Name field so other devices can identify it on the network. Following this, click on Apply and then OK to save the sharing settings. From here, make sure Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing are enabled. Click on the Start button, go to Settings, click on Network and Internet, then click on Advanced Network Settings. At this stage, click on Advanced Sharing Settings and make sure Turn on Network Discovery and Turn on File and Printer Sharing are both selected. After this, click on Save Changes to apply. Keep in mind, both the PC sharing the printer and the device trying to connect to it need to be on the same Wi-Fi or local network for this to work properly. Finally, on another device, go to Settings, click on Bluetooth and Devices, then Printers and Scanners, click on Add a Device, and look for your shared printer in the list to connect to it. And that's it. If this guide helped you share a printer on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.